Hello and welcome back to my bench. Hey, today we've got a Symetrix 528E. This is a B version from 1997, 117 volts, and complaint was it doesn't do anything. Well, I don't know. Let's find out. Let's bring up the scope here. It's hooked up to the line input. The output is going to channel 1 in the scope. Power's going in. And I've got it on the current limiting light bulb. So we'll turn it on and see what happens. And what happens is channel 1 is the white one. Appears to be something there. Nothing here. Switches are bad. And the de-esser, that switch is bad. Boy, I got virtually nothing coming out of here. Okay, well, let's open it up and find out. Wow. Can I actually have one of these that's something besides just the capacitors and the switches? Well, it is switches, I can tell you right now, because I see it flashing up there. But there's another switch in here too that could be bad. All right. Come on. Ooh. Stuck on there. Alrighty. So what do we got? Anything blowed up completely yet? Nope, not that I can see. Alright, well, let's take the scope here and check this out and see what, what we got. We're just going to go along the back, right back here, because that way I can just check all the inputs and outputs. That's kind of neat when you do that. Okay. So, this is the preamp output on the gold, on the red trace. This is the input to the de-esser. That looks good. This is the output of the de-esser. That looks good. This is the compressor expander input. That looks good. Compressor expander output. That looks, this is a side chain where you can branch off with other stuff. This is the actual output. Let's get rid of channel 1 for a minute. Alright, so there is my compressor expander output. Okay, the actual guts of the thing are working, except we lost all of our amplification. That could be a bad cap. Let us take a look at, where is it? Let's bring the manual up here. See if I can find it. Where are you, manual? Here you are. All right. So we got the expander compressor input. What did I say? Compressor expander input is very low. The side chain, alright, so the side chain here is okay. The input is very low. So what have we got? That's going into that THAT. I hope that's not bad, because those are relatively hard to find. Well, no, they're impossible to find. We know the de-esser works. That's this one. This one. Okay. So what we're looking at here, this is the compressor expander. This is the threshold adjustment. This is the de-esser. We know that's working. And something along here is not. So what can we find out? Let's see. Shrink this down here. Put it over here for right now. And bring up the scope. So turn it back on. What do we got? Let's see. Expander compressor output is very low. Side chain is nice. So the expander input is nice. So what we're looking at, input is nice, side chain is nice, comes down through there. Where does it go? Well, it goes through this C44. C44. C44 is over here. Here's one side. There's the input of that C44, or one side of it anyway. Here's the output, so that's okay. Comes down and goes into THAT on pin 17. So this is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Goes in. Hello. So that, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There's nothing there. So that's coming across R68. Here's R68. There's one side of it. There's the other side of it. What? What? That's a 15K resistor. All right. Well, look at your meter up there. Can't be any more than 15K. It's 13K, so it ain't that. But is this going to ground? No, it's 57K, so it's not shorting that out. 3.3 megs to ground. All right, so that 13K resistor goes right to pin 17 of the THAT. So it'd be 20, 19, 18, 17 to here. It does. Uh, 17 grounded. New. What the heck? Let us look at that again. 20, 19, 18, 17. I got absolutely nothing. Wow. How about pin 1? Nothing there either. It's the input of the cap, R68, and absolutely nothing coming out of that resistor. Wow. So 19 and 20 are my two inputs. Okay. Well, this is one I have not run into before. Do we have the correct voltage? What's my voltage? Pins 2549 is ground and 15 volts on pin 18. So, wait a minute. Just for fun, check the voltages here. That's plus, minus, and plus. So yes, that's right. So I'm looking 18, so 20, 19, 18. Okay, that's out 1, so it's 11. All right, so I got the 15 volts on pin 11, which it should have. And pin 10 should be minus 15. Huh. What? No, pin 10, stupid. Over on the other side. There we go. Minus 15. That is correct. Please tell me that's not bad. Well, I don't see. Let's open this up again a little bit so you guys can see here. So where am I? I am, okay, so my voltages are okay there. I got my inputs on 19 and 20. Expander threshold out. Oh, for crying out loud. Really? Wow. Okay, there's my level control. I'm switching the EQ in and out. Alright, well, let's just go over here and see what my output here looks like. Well, nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Yeah. So my EQ input at this point with the EQ in is good. With the EQ out, it's bad. Wow, okay. This is the output chip. Okay, so this is the output chip, and here we got Zippo point nothing and nothing. Input nothing and nothing. Nothing there. Nothing. I'm just checking the outputs of all these little 5532s. Well, he said. I don't know. I'm going to have to take this one apart. This is weird. I wonder if somebody's changed the caps. If they did, especially these guys. Don't know. Well, let's take it apart and find out. This is a very strange problem. I mean, this doesn't make a lot of sense. Okay. Oh, the paper thing's gone from down here. Let's look and see. New. Has not been touched. No, it has not been touched at all. Okay. Well, well, I'm going to take some resistance measurements and see if maybe I'm just fighting some sort of a weird flaky switch. Alright, so we're going up there. Get out of my way. Mic line switch should be... That's good. De-esser. That's good. That's good. Compressor expander. That side's good. This side's good. So far the switches look fine. That side's good. That side's good. That side's good. Okay. Equalizer. That side's good. Okay. Okay. 112K. I could see that 2.7 megs. All right. Yeah, whatever. That's good. And this guy here for the symmetry. That side's good. That side's good. That side's good. That side's good. All right. For your output level, that's good. That's good. Mic out level. Good. Not good. All right. Let's switch. Yeah. Switch is shot to hell, but I don't think that's the problem. All right, so we got let's see where we're at now. All right, so here is de-esser output. Preamp output. Okay, that switch is bad too. All right, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's not. Until I turn on this. Okay, well, let's see. Alright, so let's look at pin 15, 18, 17, 16, 15. It should change voltage from negative 0.9. Okay. Yes, it does. Alright. Alright, well, let's see if I'm just fighting a bad cap. I really doubt it, but we'll find out. It is absolutely amazing what bad caps can do in this system here. All right, so let's go over here to this one. Way over. Way over. Wow. Well, I guess the question would be trying to find one that's good. Holy Hannah. Well, the 10 microfarads are usually okay, or approximately okay. But all of these 4.7s are way out. Wish I could find one that actually would read. These are all non-polarized, of course. You have got to be kidding me. They can't all be bad. I don't know. Yeah, we'll read them. Okay. Let's see what this says in circuit. Probably overload. Yeah, overload. Seven. Two. Can't read it. course, it's in circuit. Wait a minute. There we go. Wow. It can't even, I mean, it's like, see if these things are all as bad as they are pretending to be. Because it says this one here completely over. Can't read it at all. So let's pull this guy out of here. All right. 'Let's let's see what it thinks it is now. Open. Really? I don't think so. That would be unusual. Really? .6 nanofarads. All right, well, before I do anything else on this, I'm going to have to change all the caps. I've never seen one act like this, to tell you the truth, with just bad caps. But I suppose if they can go high ESR, they can go completely out. So this thing needs at least 2 switches, probably all of them. This one is bad, so I'm going to have to make up another one of these. And all the caps. Wow. All right. Well, cool. We'll see if that helps. I don't have them right now. I got to order some. So we'll be back. Okay, hey, I'm back, and I just wanted to show you just how much trouble these capacitors can cause you. All I replaced on here was all of these little, see if I can get a little closer. Yeah, I replaced all of the little surface mount caps, including the 2 over here by the power supply, right over, if I can get there, right over there, yeah, there and there. And these guys, these are 4.7 or 47 microfarad non-polarized capacitors. This one, there's one under here, and this one over here, and this one here. These are non-polarized 47 microfarads. And that's all I've replaced on here. No switches or anything at this point. And I just want to show you, bring up the scope. This is my output. Output with the switches are still bad. They need to be replaced. But with the output with the equalizer in, pots are dirty too, of course. And you can see it change drastically. I'm on 700, so, and there's the peak on that one, so that works. So the equalizer works. The voice symmetry magic thing works. The compressor and expander works, and the de-esser works just fine. Not much de-essing on 700 hertz. Anyway, I just wanted to show you, just replacing the caps on these things will take it from dead as a doorknob to working. So, there you go. Now I got to replace the big ones because they haven't been touched, and I've got to replace a couple of the switches, clean the pots, put the thing back together, put it on the bench for, a day, run in with an input into it, and watch it and make sure nothing changes. Anyhow, that's how bad those caps can be, and I'll show you real quick here. Here's one of the 47 mics, non-polarized. Let's put it into this little guy here, just because it's really quick and simple. And turn it on and see what it comes up. Well, it says it's a capacitor. It says it's 630 picofarads instead of 47 microfarads. So it is definitely shot to holy heck. Let's take one of these little guys if I can get this to go down. If I can push it onto the pads here. Easier said than done. Come on. Can I get this thing? It's not reading it at all. So is this thing just slap open? I don't know. Let's try this guy and find out. Because if this is supposed to be 4.7, so I got it on 20. Let's check it here and here. This one is just slap open. And away it went. So all bad caps in this thing. So there you go. Just thought I'd show you what the caps can do. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to register, subscribe, whatever it's called. Yeah, subscribe. I have a Patreon channel. Don't forget that if you want to support me so I can keep doing these things. Thanks for stopping by. Till next time.